guys, welcome welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with you guys, we are here with a glueless wig install. This hair is 26 inches of luscious curl and I am here for it. This wig comes from westkiss. This is actually my first time ordering from this company. I didn't know what to expect. I'm in love, you guys. It's glueless. It's giving cute. Let me show you guys what comes in the box. When you open it up, this company does give you a bonnet, which I love, a scarf, pair of lashes, an elastic band, a wig cap. They have their own little silk bag. I personally love when companies send you extra goodies. You're getting more bang for your buck. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. I like to do different type of wig installs. Sometimes I keep them glueless. Sometimes I actually do the full effort and do waterproof adhesive glue. You know what I mean? But this time I kept it super easy because I wanted this to be a throw on and go wig. I'm absolutely in love. I hope you guys enjoy this super easy, very beginner friendly hairstyle. And you guys, she's gorgeous and she's giving inches, honey. Okay, so let's start. So you guys, this is what the inside of the wig looks like. So we're gonna put this all the way to the smallest we can make it. See how the wig is constructed, right? So you guys, this is what the hairline looks like. I actually didn't pluck it, but I did bleach the knot. The wig actually fits really snug and secure. So yeah, you guys, it fits good. Real nice, real comfortable. I cut the ear tabs off because like I said, I want this wig to be completely glueless. Before we start, I feel like this is a nice lace. It's pretty transparent. It's not too soft of lace where if you pluck too hard, it's going to rip. I feel like it's still a nice quality lace. So if you guys did want to glue this down, it would be giving melted scalp, okay? Because it's a nice lace. It did come pre-plucked because I did not pluck the hairline. Yeah, let's cut. And I'm actually going to leave some on. I'm like not going to cut it all the way off. I gotta do this in the mirror. Okay, so far this is what the wig is looking like. I have not glued it down. I didn't want to glue it down. I kind of wanted to keep today's wig install like as natural as possible. Let me show you guys what the parting space looks like, in case you guys wanted to do some other styles. Okay, so yeah, you definitely have some parting abilities on the different sides, okay? But y'all know me, we like a good little middle part. Now what I will do is take my hands and run my fingers through it. This is air dried hair. You guys, I've had this hair been air drying for like a week. I did put some products in it, but hold on, let's stand up because I want you guys to see what this 26 inches of curly, hair in my eye, curly blonde is looking like. Okay, so this is the 26. It's actually really nice. Of course it would get fuller if you guys combed out the curls. I'm just finger combing it, and as you guys can see, this side is a little more pronounced because it was kind of over there. But you guys, this is the hairline. I did not add any makeup to the hairline. So yeah, this is what the hairline looks like. It's giving long Beyonce. Stop playing. This is cute. I'm just running my fingers through it right now so we can have some pizzazz. This is how the hair turned out. I really didn't do anything but cut the lace off, and I made sure I bleached the knots, and that was really it. I feel like this is a super easy beginner friendly hairstyle. This will definitely be my go-to hairstyle when I'm looking for some inches because the curls are popping and they're not anything too tight. Like it's low-key like a wavy curly because it's 26 inches. So with 26 inches, I'm personally not looking for anything too kinky and too tight because that's when you get some tangling involved. You guys, this is so cute. I did not put any additional layers. I kind of just kept it long. The frontal area, I would say, is a good 20, like 22, and then the rest of the hair is 26 inches. So the frontal is not like 26, but the frontal is, I would say the longest piece in the frontal is about a 22. Okay, I love this hair. I love the color. It's definitely given Beyonce. If you guys are new to my channel, these are like my hair go colors. I did wash it with a purple shampoo, kind of toned the hair a bit, but I love it. So when it comes to this hair, I'm absolutely in love. I think that you guys would like it. I think 26 inches is bomb. Like, I've never had 26 inches in curly 26 inches. So let's say hypothetically speaking, I was to press the hair out, I think it would give 30 because it's, you know, curly, and curly hair is normally like shrinks. So bomb. When I say bomb, I am really here for this hair. I did make it glueless like y'all saw. After I glue down wigs, sometimes it's really hard to take off that adhesive, and then I have to rewash it. Then I have to just do all the extras to get the wig back perfect. So I wanted this to be a throw on and go wig. It's very comfortable, literally so comfortable on my head. It would definitely be big head friendly, but it definitely caters to small heads as well. So I like when wigs kind of give you the versatility, because sometimes companies give you that option. Do you have a small head, medium head, or large head? But sometimes companies don't, and they just assume that all wigs fit everybody, and they don't. But this one genuinely is versatile, and it can fit the smallest head and the biggest head. So I absolutely love it. And you guys, I'm really here for the length of this hair. It's bomb. For anyone that's going to ask, I'm actually 5'5". Sometimes I don't state it, but I'm 5'5". So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Be sure to send me Instagram DMs of hairstyles you guys want me to recreate, because I've just been trying to do a lot of different styles, cater to a lot of people's needs. Sometimes I glue them down, sometimes I do them glueless with like Got To Be, and then sometimes I just don't glue them down with anything like I did today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Catch y'all on my next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV, I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.